Welcome to E-Concepts. Cursive writing is a beautiful style of handwriting that connects letters in a flowing manner, offering a unique blend of elegance and efficiency. In cursive writing, letters are joined together in a continuous flow. It used to be standard practice, but has fallen out of use and is no longer mandatory in schools. However, beautiful cursive handwriting is fun to learn and is considered a dying art form by many. Next, we have standard cursive alphabets from A to Z. You can see the formatting of all alphabets. Let's write in cursive style. The use of cursive writing letters was common in the times of using a quill as a writing utensil. I just have written this sentence in cursive writing style. Let's delve further into history. Quills were easily broken and the ink would run out quickly and splatter if not used properly. Cursive was created to make it easier to write with quills, not having to lift the pens from the paper too often, and writing quickly and smoothly so that the writer got the most use out of the ink and it wouldn't splatter. This was a short introduction to cursive writing. Are you planning to master cursive writing style? Here are some guidelines for you. Begin by practicing basic cursive strokes and letter formations. Focus on maintaining a consistent slant and connecting letters smoothly. Utilize online resources like websites offering cursive writing practice sheets, cursive writing tutorials on platforms like YouTube. Remember, regular practice is crucial for developing fluency, and patience is the key to success. Thank you so much for being with us. Take care,